24 जुनाक शेनवारा कळंगूट मार्केटांत हिस्ट्री शीटर टायरन नाझारेथ आनी जोझफ सिक्वेरा मदीं झगडी जाल्ली आनी सिक्वेरान सुरयेन टायरनाचेर हल्लो केल्लो. जखमी अवस्थेंत आशिल्ल्या टायरन नाझारेथाचेर म्हापशां डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांत उपचार चालू आसतना ताका 25 जुनाक मरण आयलें. आरोपी आनी मरण आयिल्लो नाझारेथ हांच्या आड कळंगूट पुलिशेन ह्या आदी कागाळ नोंद आशिल्ली. 2 म्हयन्यां आदीं जाल्ल्या घडणुकेचो बदलो घेवपाच्या भावनेंतल्यान जोझफान टायरनाचेर हल्लो केला म्हण म्हायती कळंगूटचे PI जिवबा दळवीन दिल्या.
काल midnight yesterday there was we have registered case of attempt to murder where one victim Tyron was stabbed by knife at various places on the body. So we shifted him to the Zilla hospital and we have taken the complaint of the friend of the victim and we registered case of attempt to murder. Then morning hours we came to know that he is no more. So we also added section 302 in this case. The criminal victim is also having criminal record and accused also having criminal record.
तशेंच आरोपी कोण तो खबर आसा म्हणटकर रोखडेच पुलीस ताका ताब्यांत घेतले म्हण PI दळवी उलयला.
We know the accused who has done this act and we'll be arresting the soon. We are trying, we got certain leads. We'll be trying, we are trying to, our team has already gone to search. We'll try to arrest the accused.
RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.